What is disease? Disease is when you have ingested a substance that was uncomplimentary with your genetic construction. Mucus is the cause of all disease. Disease is the accumulation of mucus.
Mucus is something we naturally produce that lines our airways and gastrointestinal tract. It's actually really important to not allow things to just magically pass into our bloodstream. It also can contain many enzymes important for the detoxification of toxins and other compounds. Additionally, toxins can actually get stuck inside the mucus and be transported out of the body. And when we get sick, the production of mucus will increase. And this production of mucus is actually in order to fight the pathogen or bacteria causing the infection, virus, or sickness. It's not the mucus that caused the disease, it's the disease that caused the mucus. And there's absolutely no scientific literature saying that any sort of dietary protocol will increase your production of mucus. Even a food like milk, which many people believe causes an increased production of mucus inside the respiratory tract, has no association with mucus production in healthy adults. One reason it may feel that milk will increase the amount of mucus inside of your throat, because milk can actually mix with our saliva and make our saliva a little bit more thick. But this is transient and goes away almost immediately. And there is zero evidence that it does anything to our risk of getting a disease. Now, if you have an allergy to milk, you may have an increased production of mucus, because this mucus production occurs in response to an allergen. With that being said, the people promoting an alkaline diet propose that milk and animal products will increase the production of mucus inside the body. Not speaking about the extremely protective and healthy mucus inside of our gastrointestinal tract and respiratory tract. Rather, a type of mucus that somehow surrounds our cells and doesn't allow them to properly function. Unfortunately, this is simply just a myth. And the reason that there is no evidence that I could use to refute this argument is because the first step in the scientific method is to have a reasonably sound hypothesis. And physiologists and biologists understand that there is no mucus that will somehow surround our cells due to the consumption of a specific food. Therefore, it's not a hypothesis with tests on it. It's simply just a made-up idea that does sound convincing but has absolutely no evidence behind it. But it does sound quite scary, which could deter people from eating animal products, which in the long run, on a vegan diet, one would be more predisposed to a nutrient deficiency than if they are simply eating an omnivorous diet. And if you want to learn how to take control of your health and energy, send me a DM to sign up for coaching.